finger. Now try again. With me. How did it feel to you? Let me think. Don't think. Feel. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video today we're going to be talking about the plugin Plucked. It's very underrated, and I'm going to show you that you can make amazing melodies using Plucked. Never mind the fan because it's hot right now in Cape Town. But anyway, this plugin comes native with FL Studio and it's very old. So these are my settings for using Plucked. I just drop everything down to 0, the decay and the color. Make sure that it's all the way down, and then it will sound like this. And then obviously I have to add some reverb to this. So this is without the reverb. Sounds like that. So it sounds normal. You wouldn't think that it's a really special plugin, but as soon as you add that reverb, then it's fire. So now let me play you the little melody that I have for this track. So obviously you can make this melody move by automating the decay and the color as well. Because the color basically adds some attack to this plugin. It's very underrated. I don't know why not a lot of people use it, but I think you can make really amazing melodies using this plugin, especially if you're a beginner and you're worried about installing plugins that will eat up so much of your CPU. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to play this track just a little bit so you can hear how it sounds with everything that I have in here. So you can see that these two automation clips is the color and the decay that I have here on screen. That's where it changes. That's where it just builds up to create a nice effect leading into the B section or the second part of this track. But Plucked is amazing and it's really simple to use. Let me just clone this and make something else. Sounds nice already. And I can transpose it up. That's transposed down. So I can actually choose between these two. I actually like this second plug melody that I made just now. So what I'll do is I'll just take it out of here and put it in its own channel, and then I'll make the melody change in this track as it goes. Maybe on the B section here I'll make the melody change, and then I'll just delete first one and I'll make it change. I'll put it up here, but let me make sure that the color is different. I picked random color and it picks the same color. Okay, there we go. And if you're wondering what that sound is, that's actually a log drum. The sound that's making that sound. That's a log drum. Let me show you how I did that. The sound here. It's high notes of the log drum. So there's two uses of log drum. You can use the high notes kind of as a stabby kind of thing, or you can use the low notes as bass. So you don't have to just use log drum. It's just a bass sound only. And what I did was that I have an automation that I created, the one that's down here for the mod. Just loop over here so that it changes as it plays. If I can solo that, you can hear that it's actually moving. If you look at the attack, you see that. That's what I did. And then on this section over here, I made it go up. Okay, so just look at what's happening here as I play it. So the sound changes. Just to add some variation to this sound. But you guys let me know what you think about this track down below. The final touch that I wanted to add to this track was to add a dub vocal or a nice background vocal, something that accompanies this track, just to give it a little bit more more life. And I have this Bruce Lee speech, finger pointing to the moon, that I wanted to use. So I'm just going to import that and drop it in here. Let me play that back.
What was that? An exhibition? Emotional content.
Okay, I want this part to be here before the beat drops. It says emotional content, something, something.
What was that? An exhibition? Emotional content.
Sounds fire, bro. But now let me drop the pitch. Change how it sounds so it doesn't really sound like Bruce Lee and be too obvious.
What was that? An exhibition? Emotional content.
And then I'm gonna send it to a track in my mixer. Add some delay and some reverb. Let's listen to that.
What was that? An exhibition? Emotional content.
Whoa. Yeah, well, obviously I'll have to cut out and choose the pieces that I want from this sound. Like I don't want this whoosh or this, I think it was a kick that was happening over here. I don't want that in there, so I just have to chop out the elements that I don't want of this this little audio that I'm going to be using.
I said emotional content, not anger. Now try again with me.
Sounds sick though, with just that little bit of change.
Don't think. Be. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory. You understand? Never take your eyes off the phone, even when you are. Never take your eyes off the phone, even when you are.
Okay, let me move this sound. Put it over there.
Never take your eyes off your phone, even when you are. Never take your eyes off your phone, even when you are. How did it feel to you? Don't think.
Okay, I'm gonna cut that sound as well before the don't think.
Don't think. Be. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory. You understand?
So you can make amazing sounds just by using the plugin. So what I just did was just started by creating a melody just using this plugin, but I want to know what you guys can come up with using a plugin. So you can take this as a challenge, if you will. Follow me on Instagram and make sure that you can tag me on a post and let me hear what you can come up with using the plugin. You can try use the same settings that I used over here. If I like what I hear, if I like your melody and what you come up with, I might hit you up and then maybe we can collaborate on a track. But make sure that you're on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, it's free, bro. You can just create an account and then you can just follow me. Alright, so that's Plugged. That's it for this video today. I just wanted to share with you guys what I did using Plugged. I'm going to be using Plugged a lot right now because I feel it's really nice. It's really simple. Everybody moved away from these plugins, so that's why I'm going back to them to rechange them and create really nice sounds. And all the sounds that you hear from this track are all FL Studio sounds. I used nothing out of FL Studio. There's no extra plugins or extra sounds that I used in this track. It's 100% FL Studio. But that's it for this video, guys. I'll check you guys in my next video. I want to know what you guys think about this track. So remember to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and drop me a like down below. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm X and I'm out. Peace.
Not anger. Now try again. With me.